Welcome to the OKLATimes.com, your most trusted local voice since 2011. This video is about Library on Rent operating from Mushawrat headquarters in Okla's Abul Fazl enclave on verge of closure. Students came to know about it after a notice was pasted announcing its closure a few days ago. The library is not run by Mushawrat but was being operational by a third party on rent from its building for the last 15 years. A Mushawrat official told the Okla Times that the organization has nothing to do with the library as it was being run all these years by a third party on rent. According to sources, the library was started in the Mushawrat building some 15 years ago by a Patna-based trust. The library was backed by India-born US citizen Khurshid Malik, a philanthropist, said the source. Dr. Malik, a Chicago-based urologist and philanthropist, has been running not just this center but similar centers in other cities including Patna, Muzaffarpur and Aligarh. The center was launched by Okla-based activist Syed Ubaidur Rahman. He said, "Initially we started English and computer courses for students. It ran for 7 years until I was associated with the center. However, I left and then it was just turned into a library. It was my idea and backed by the trust. Actually, Dr. Malik has educational advancement of the community's youth very close to his heart. But due to some reason, the trust decided to close the library a month ago and has even stopped paying Rs 20,000 rent to the Mushawrat. Sources said every month Rs 40,000 was being paid by the trust for the upkeep of library in Mushawrat building. Rs 20,000 rent, Rs 15,000 to the library supervisor and 5,000 on other expenditures including electricity. An official said when the issue was brought to them, the Mushawrat decided to give an extension to the library until August 2021. Mushawrat has taken notice of the closure of the learning center by the official of the center. It has decided to extend the facility for the students for 1 more month on experimental basis. The learning center would be open for the month of August 2021 and will be supervised by Shahab as usual, said the notice pasted on the library door. A few students who were regular at the library said it was an opportunity for them to prepare for competitive exams and certainly the closure will hurt them. Many have moved looking for other places, said a source, adding that it would be great if the library continues. After the Okla Times ran a video report, a few people came forward to inquire about how to support the library. When the Okla Times contacted the official to find out how the library could be saved, one member said interested people should contact the official and discuss the issue. Confusion still prevails as the library was on rent and whether how it could stay afloat.